made you the co-host? Yes, I did.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back to another session of Empowering Morning Conversations. And as you can see, it is which session, Rama? Let's hear your voice today.
119 session.
Yeah, and what a milestone, right?
Yes.
I say every day is a milestone,
Yes.
right? Another day of living. Long time back when I was in college, we used to listen to a song called I Just Want to Celebrate Another Day of Living. I just want to celebrate another day of life. How wonderful is that? Yeah. And you know what we need in order to really celebrate each moment of each day? What is that we need? Anybody wants to enlighten us? What do we need so that we can celebrate each moment and each day?
Power of generation.
Okay, wonderful. What else do we need to celebrate each moment of each day? Come on, let's have a free flow.
Enthusiasm.
Yeah, you'll have to generate that, isn't it?
Yeah, enthusiasm you need.
Neeti ji, good morning. I've made you a co-host also. What else do we need to make each day a celebration?
Being in the moment.
Yeah. How do you do that? That's the question, isn't it?
Awareness.
And how do you do that?
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, Kuldeep ji. How are you?
I am very fine, sir. What I feel is what we need fundamentally is the awareness that we have to do that.
Yeah. So the trick is, how do we get into a state of awareness, right? By recognizing whenever you're not in a state of awareness,
Yes.
by recognizing the moment you get into your default mode. So how do we recognize that we are in the default mode? We do that when we are reacting, then we realize, I am in a default mode. When I am resisting, see, one very clear sign of resisting something is that you're complaining. You know, when your mind is saying, oh my God, why is this happening? Why it happens only to me? Blah, blah, blah. Then you know you are complaining. You are resisting. So in that state of resisting and reacting, can you be in the present moment and can you be celebrating every moment? Yeah. So what is the one good habit if you cultivate, you will not get into the default mode so much? Very simple one.
Be in the present and be happy.
Okay. But there is one habit which will make you make sure that you are in the present and you are happy. What is that one? See, we have a habit which we started very early in life, right? Which one was that?
Childhood.
Huh?
Childhood.
Judging.
Yeah. Yeah, judging. That's the one. So if we can stop judging ourselves and others, it will be much easier to get out of the default mode. All your reactions and resistance, at the core of it, you'll always find there's some judgment happening. Okay? And you remember what we were talking the other day? We get into I will show you mode. Because if you're judging, then you need to show something, na? If I do this, what will they think? If I do that, what will they think? Where is that coming from? Again, either you want to judge or you want to avoid somebody's judgment, isn't it? Hello. I'm provoking you guys early in the morning to think. Don't resist that, please. Yeah, very well. I can see the symbol. You are trying to stay awake. Would you like to say something to this August body? Not September body, but August body. Anybody, Neeti can also say.
We can't feel sleepy after listening your magnetic voice and seeing
Listening,
all this.
magnetic voice. My good God, what compliments, man.
After seeing all these enthusiastic people, it is amazing, sir. And we are trying to find reason how to be present, how to come out from reactive mode and all. My simple reason is seeing all these people being in this satsang itself is a biggest solution.
Yeah, that's why we need this every morning dose of being with positive people, and people who are may not be always positive, but we are engaged in dealing with everything that makes negativity come into our life, right? So everything that we say or do here, there is one design in it that it gets us out of the default mode, puts us in the creation mode. Now you'll see that then in our everyday survival mode, we even are not aware of what we want to create. Okay. So if you really start asking yourself, okay, what do I want to create today, brother? How do I make today a great adventure for myself? How many times do we even think, what do I want to create today? A lot of people wake up in the morning with a big to-do list. I have to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. It's I have to do this. You understand? Most of your have to do this is a survival mechanism. I have to do this. I have to do this. I have to make sure so-and-so doesn't get upset with me. I have to make sure so-and-so else does not get upset with me. I have to make sure that somebody doesn't get upset with somebody. Just see, where is the creation in it? So we get up with some people write down the to-do list. Some people go to some session and there they are made to write down to-do list, right? So they wake up to a to-do list. How many people wake up to what will I create today? So let's have a few honest answers. How many of you woke up this morning and said to yourself, what will I create today? What wonderful adventure am I going to create in my life today? Did anybody do that? Come on, say something.
No.
No.
Come on, you must have done something, yeah. So what did you wake up with then? When you got up this morning, what did you say to yourself?
Get ready for the session.
Okay, that's something better than anything else in any case. What else?
Sir, the first thought is usually what day is it today?
What? I couldn't hear you, Neeti.
I said the first thought is usually what day is it today?
What day is it today? Why? Because what day it is today will decide what you're going to do today, is it? Oh,
So then
today
the
is a
memory
Tuesday.
begins to come back. Okay, what is the to-do list? Then the
Tuesday
memory comes
ko-
back, to-do list.
Tuesday ko kya karna hai? Today's Tuesday. What are the jobs scheduled for today? So that's good. I mean, it's not like it's a bad thing. You understand? But it's more agenda from the past. Leena ji, good morning. Good to see you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
So what do you wake up with today?
ऐसा कुछ ख्याल नहीं आता है चाय बनाने की याद
Yeah, so most of us will get into some doing, right?
Yes.
Can we, okay, here's one suggestion. Can you spend, say, about 30 seconds? See how much? 30 seconds only. After you wake up, your mind is quiet and you're kind of waking up. Can you spend 30 seconds thinking, okay, what is it that I'm going to create today? Yeah, create means what? Not coming from the past. Create means not something which you have to do. Create means something that you choose to do. Can you spend 30 seconds in the morning just thinking, okay, what can I create today? Shakti, good morning. What can you create today as opposed to what do I have to do today? Some people don't think at all. They just get into doing whatever they're doing. Chai banao.
I'm in that category.
Me, I am also. I am also there only.
It's better than doing nothing, right? So get up and start doing something. See, actually being in action is also good.
Routine, my routine starts.
Yep, absolutely. Good. Okay, so let's hear from some other people. So remember, the whole game is about not allowing yourself to be sucked into the negativity, not allowing yourself to get influenced by the circumstances. Somebody's microphone is on, so please mute yourself. Thank you. So what was I saying? You want to be in the default mode? Are you happy in it? Do you want to be in a generative mode?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then we will request, who should we request today? We are going to request Rama to put you into the generation mode. And Rama, how are you going to do that?
Yes, sir. So good morning, everyone. So let's generate our own feeling. After I say 1, 2, 3, let's all laugh together.
100%.
100%. Yeah. And silently. 1, 2, 3.
Hundred percent Anindita, that's not 100%. I'm watching all of you. Konen, why are you not doing 100%? Chabana chodo. Okay, so that puts you in the right frame of mind. Thank you, Rama. That puts you in the right frame of mind, right? Now think, what do I want to create today? And see what pops into your head. What do I want to create today? Okay, the opposite of create is that I'm in the default mode. I have to do what I have to do, what to do, responsibilities, job, business. We asked people to laugh 100% and Shakti went out of this one.
Sir, we have to think creating for today or long term, sir.
I mean, just first you create something today, no? Let's get into the habit of creating something today. Who knows about the tomorrow? At least create for today, no?
Okay.
And of course, you are most welcome to create for tomorrow and day after tomorrow and the day after that also. Nobody's stopping. But how about something for today? How is my today going to be different from yesterday? What is it that I'm going to do 100% today? It could be anything. I want your mind to free flow and come out with great ideas and share that, because other people may get inspired and say, wow, that's a good idea. I'll do that also. So let's see. Let your imagination run right and come out with how you're going to create today. Let me hear it from you guys. Come on. Good morning.
Suresh.
Yes, Suresh. Today
Yeah.
you're calling yourself Suresh. Okay, very good. Gap goal achievement
Yes.
person.
Anand. Yes. Today, this morning, I have called one of my friends, wished her happy birthday.
That you've already done. How are you going to create the rest of your day?
Yes, with ease and joy, I will meet people and get it done. All my work.
Oh, come on. You're not thinking, just giving ready-made answer. How are you going to create the day? What is special you're going to add to the day? How are you going to make it a very, 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 very special day for you and others?
Yeah, probably I will share my lunch with my office people.
So what is that new thing in it? You
Unexpected.
always share your lunch.
Unexpected things.
Okay. You will take biryani instead of whatever.
No. Biryani is expected. something else.
Okay, maybe rasamalai or rasagulla or whatever.
So whatever.
Okay, good. Thank you very much for sharing. Nice to see you as usual.
I'm going to
Smiling.
my granddaughter has come from Bangalore after 10 days. I'm going to have a great time with her. Share everything that she has experienced in her holidays.
Great, fantastic. Yes, Neeti. Don't worry, Chidambar. The topic is already happening. Be a part of what we are saying. How are you going to create your day today? Yes, Neeti.
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I need to realign myself to create a better balance between my work, the new assignment that I've started, and my other schedules. In the first month, everything is a little off balance. So I need to create a better balance, make more time within 24 hours and do it all very calmly.
Wow. Congratulations, Neeti. You've started your new assignment. I hope it's nice and lucrative one. Congratulations. Don't, no, sir, not that lucrative. Okay, who's next? Thank you, Neeti. Celebrations are in order. So we have a new person today. We see Ramija. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Chidambar, go ahead and share. What are you going to create today?
Sir, good morning to all.
Good morning.
Today, I have to get my day fulfilling all commitments and work because it is a month August. Income tax site is new site introduced and it is developed. And today onwards, I have to start income tax filing. I have to engage busy in my works.
See, all those things are some things which you have to do.
Yes, sir, I have to, sir.
Whether you like it or not, you have to do. What we are saying is, what are you going to create today over and above something which you have to do? So think about it. Don't have to answer right away. Listen to some other people. Maybe you get some ideas.
Ultimately, after completion of my work. Yes.
After completion of your work, what? Your signal problem is very
I'll get... Sir, after completion of my work, hello?
Yeah.
After completion of my work, ultimately I will get the satisfaction and joy.
So you really need to practice your listening, huh? You read in the chat box, Rama has written down what I was asking people to do. So what you have to do is not something which you're creating, huh? You have to do what you have to do. You have no choice in that. But when we create something in life, it's creation from choice. Okay, so think about it. Don't answer right now. Thank you very much. Yes, Gautam sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning to everybody.
Good
Today
morning.
is a very important day. I'm going to discuss one project with my friend. Is a businessman, and maybe it is going to turn to the business proposal.
Oh wow. Okay. So what are you going to create today? What you're saying is something you have to do today, no? Business meeting, this, that, and the other. What are you going to create?
Good morning.
Very good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, you want to say something? Is that Thomas?
Yeah, it's me, Thomas.
Yeah, when I hear the birds, I know it's Thomas because he's walking in the park. What are you going to create today, Thomas?
Today I made my wife come along for the morning walk, which she normally avoids. I've been able to infuse her.
So that is a creative choice.
In the morning, evening times. Yeah,
okay.
That's very nice one.
That's a creative choice.
After years. And one more thing, sir. We are looking out for a place for a dementia daycare center. So today I'm going to search out for some laid out bungalows where 10, 20 people can be, accommodated. So that's going to be my creation for the day.
Oh, wow. So you're starting a center for people who are affected by dementia. Is that it?
Yeah. Dementia daycare center.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. What a wonderful idea. I say.
Not my idea, sir. It's our foundation's idea, and I'm trying to implement it.
Yeah, wonderful. Doesn't matter whose idea it is. Wonderful. It's a great idea anyways. Thank you, Thomas. You can mute yourself, Thomas. Yes, Bhadra, you're saying something still?
No, thank you.
All right. Yes, Reddy Garu.
Sir, I'm going to create a better world for me by being positive throughout the day.
Okay. Okay, that's good enough. You can create a positive world for you by being positive throughout the day. That's one idea. Okay, who else? Come on, Vitrivel, Rama, and Kunen, and so many other wonderful people on this call this morning.
Yes, sir. What I'm thinking, sir, when you say what we will create, so creation means something new, which was not existing.
Exactly.
So entirely new thing.
Exactly.
So how can I bring something entirely new thing when my mind is busy in my day-to-day activities, completion of tasks, and I don't have the clarity of what will happen in the future, kind of thing, etc.
Exactly, kind of thing, that's the kind of thing that I'm asking you to share. See, when you want to create something, you'll have to start exercising this. Huh? See, in our default mode, how much of creative thinking do? We don't do it. We are not used to it. We are so stuck in the mundane, everyday stuff, right? So suppose you were to exercise and say, hey, what can I create today? What do you think will come out?
But I should have the clarity. What exactly is my purpose of my life? What I want in my life?
Hello, that's an ongoing quest. I say, what are you going to create today? Do you notice how much our tendency to decide will never allow us to make a choice for creation? Creation is a choice. So when we get entangled in this kind of thinking, creation cannot happen. Huh? So good. So wonderful chain of thought you have unleashed.
Sir, from my side, what I'm getting is I'm going to stretch more and challenge myself than the yesterday. That's my creative mode.
Okay, that can be creative. But see, again, it might be coming from the past. No, challenge myself more than yesterday. You should pay attention to what Mr. Kunan said. Because what he said is very, very potent. Don't discount what he said.
Purpose.
That will make you start thinking, no, purpose is there, okay? You might be knowing your purpose or not. That's a different matter. Even if I'm fulfilling, see, I'm fulfilling my purpose with you guys. That's what I'm doing every day. Yeah. And I also have an opportunity to create inside that purpose. Nah? Like this morning, I got this insight suddenly. It's a purely creative insight. I wouldn't have thought of it before. And I'm going to start implementing it during the day today. In fact, I jumped out of my bed. I wanted to do it last night. I got up at 3 o'clock at night because I got that insight. Hey, Sukhdeepak, why don't you create this? So purpose is fine and great. I mean, the whole problem, Kunan, is most people don't even know what their purpose is. So the whole life goes in finding out what the purpose is. Now I'm assuming whether you know your purpose, whether you don't know your purpose, how can you create? I'm very fond of this writer, Og Mendino. So in one of the scrolls he writes, I will live this day as though it is the last. Imagine if your day was the last day on this planet, you'll bloody well create. Yeah. I will live this day as though it is my last. It forces you to create. Let's say you've got a few hours left in your life. You're really going to start thinking, what do I want to do with these few hours? When I touched 68 and I was doing whatever I was doing, I've shared my story enough times. Hello, my reverse meter has started. What do you want to do with the rest of your life, Sukhdeepak? That's when the creativity started. Now, it might have been triggered by that reaction, right? And I'm also noticing that when I create something, it is a joyous day. I mean, there's a lot of exhilaration happening, okay? When I'm doing what I'm always doing, it's okay. So if somebody asks me, how are you? Okay. How's life? Fine. Yeah. So think, a lot of good stuff Kunan has said. So just think about that, Ritri. All right. Might open up something very exciting. Who knows?
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Instead of going to Dubai Marina, I should go to some other place today. All right, Sandeep.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
As you said, sir, that if I consider that today is my last day, then automatically whatever you have taught us in last 115 days, we will implement everything. I will not consider everything right or wrong. 118 days. I will never consider anything right or wrong. I will choose the things. I will ultimately be happy. I will be grateful for whatever I have. And I certainly, I don't have anxiety about tomorrow because tomorrow doesn't exist. And in reality, that is also true, sir. Every day there is only today. Tomorrow never exists. But we are always having a lot of anxiety about it. And a lot of stuff, sir, Kunan sir has said. So I will stop.
Great, fantastic. Now, the thing is, one very creative thing which came to my mind and I want to share with you is, see, normally people are looking for reasons to be unhappy. They always find some reason to be unhappy, isn't it? If they don't find a reason to be unhappy, they are very unhappy. Oh, today I never found a reason to be unhappy. So then they will find from the past, that happened in the past. Why did it happen in the past? And they'll become unhappy. So I said today, very creative way of living my life may be, let me find reasons to be happy. Wouldn't that be a creative choice? Today, let me find reasons to be happy. Today, let me find reasons to celebrate. So that's another possibility. Yes, Suchitra ji, your turn to regale us.
So today I want to create a day of 100% fun, courage, and connection to the divine beneath the veneer of mundane activities.
That's a very nice and sophisticated way of saying it. I will do my normal tasks, and I am doing those tasks. I shall create joy in my mundane tasks, right? Fantastic. You've got the way of a writer, You and we've got Sujal. I think you should make a pact and both of you write a book together. We have two very good writers on our podium. One knows that she's a writer and she writes books. The other one knows a writer, but she does not want to write books. So we have a very interesting combination here. Thank you very much, Suchitra, for sharing. All right, Chidambar, go ahead. One more chance for you to share.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you for chance, sir. Actually, I would like to create my day today is I had to spend my day with enthusiastically, and I had to make some space for love and for my loved one and family.
Very good. Everybody will start thinking, what has happened to Chidambar today? He's so enthusiastic, full of energy. You can generate that. Okay, great, fantastic. Thank you very much. Okay, who's next?
So like Kunain said, something new I want to create. So I'm going to create Pongal today and eat it. and I want to be more communicative today.
You want to? You can spend the whole day wanting. I want to be more communicative.
I'll be communicative today.
And it starts right now.
Yes.
Show us that you can be more communicative today. So start communicating.
Yes.
So start communicating now.
Okay. So
Ramaji, which Pongal? Sweet Pongal, spicy Pongal?
You stop giving hints to him. Eh?
Kara Pongal.
This fellow Vetrivel, no, he doesn't like anybody to be, I must help. He doesn't need help, yeah. Let him be creative. We are talking about creation. So create the communication that will contribute to this entire congregation.
Yeah. So I like today's topic of making everyone to think what each one of us can create today. So that makes the day great. So even if there are default modes and there are challenges, it helps us to wade away that and start thinking what is that something creative, something good, something positive can be done today. So thank you for bringing this topic, and that's what we are thinking.
So Suchitra is humorous as usual. She's saying Pongal man has been already created by the Almighty. Where is Pongal? I don't see her.
I think today she's not there.
She's busy with her school project. She might come. So a lot of people join after 8 o'clock, So what else? What are you going to create today? There, Janki is there. Janki, what are you going to create today?
Hi, sir. Good morning, and good morning, everyone. I'm going to create a course, design my course for my reading program that I plan to do it on coming Friday. This is a question that you posted, I think, a couple of weeks back, sir. And you asked me, what are you going to create? So that is the result of it. And coming Friday, I'm going to, start my program. So I'm going to design the content and I'm going to finalize it. So that is what I'm going to, make it.
Wow, way to go. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so what is there in the chat? A lot of people chat. Okay, very good. So here we go. Let me show you this presentation which I have created this morning. So to the people who joined late or those who joined for the first time, I just want you to know that the purpose of these morning empowering conversations is to allow us to not be influenced by all the negativity all around and generate positivity and spread that positivity in the world. And when we do that, all of life will come to me with ease, joy, and glory. Isn't that something which everybody would like to have? A life of ease, a life of joy, and life of glory. And you look at our life and see it's probably opposite of that most of the time. So we don't want that. We can create life. We can get out of the default mode, the auto mode, the reaction and resistant mode, the complaining mode. We can get out and start creating each day. You can keep looking for reasons to be happy and you will find many. So today, I have a very interesting question for each and every one of you, and I want you to first read it, understand it, and then respond to it, okay? So I am going to ask Vetrivel to read this question slowly and loudly for everybody to hear.
What
Go
is
ahead.
the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like?
Yeah, so one more time.
What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like?
Okay, good. So I'm going to ask another person also to read it so that it sinks in. Sometimes, you need some time to process a question, so you'll get it. Imtiaz bhai, would you read this question loud for everybody? Imtiaz bhai, are you there? Yeah, he's there.
Yeah. What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like?
Yeah, one more time, please.
What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like?
Great, thank you very much. And I'm going to invite Kunan to translate this into Urdu exactly the way it is without adding any interpretation to it. Can you do that, Kunan?
जी जनाब, no, not now. What is the belief that I refuse to give up? वो क्या यकीन है जो मैं छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूं, जिसकी वजह से
मैं ऐसी परिस्थिति में फंसा हुआ हूं
जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
Exactly. One more time, please.
वो क्या यकीन है जिसे मैं छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूं, जिसकी वजह से मैं एक परिस्थिति में फंसा हुआ हूं जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
Right, beautiful. You got it. Thank you very much. I want somebody to, Rajashekaran, would you please read it loud for everybody?
Yes, sir. What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like?
Yeah, now you say in Tamil accurately and we can check, Rama and all will be checking if you're getting it right.
Okay, sir. எந்த நம்பிக்கையை நான் கைவிட மறுக்கிறேன், அது என்னை ஒரு சூழ்நிலையில் தள்ளுகிறது. அது என்னை I don't like it means
situation which you do not like.
Yeah, எது என்னை சூழ்நிலை தள்ளுகிறது அதை நான் விரும்பவில்லை.
நான் விரும்பாத சூழ்நிலையிலிருந்து வெளியில் வர மறுக்க.
ரமாஜி, நான் ட்ரை பண்றேன். I will try. நான் விரும்பாத சூழ்நிலையில் என்னை வைத்துள்ள நம்பிக்கையை எந்த நம்பிக்கையை நான் கைவிட மறுக்கிறேன்.
Yeah, that will be better. Yes.
Okay, so you got it. So that is the question I want you guys to think about. Right now, dwell on it. Close your eyes for a minute. Take a long, deep breath. Let go and relax. Take another long deep breath, let go and relax, and take another long deep breath and let go and relax. And relax and relax and relax. And then you start thinking, what is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like? So think on it for a minute or two. What is the belief that I refuse to give up and that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like? Think on it. Think some more on it. What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't like? Kunayan, one more time in Urdu, please.
वो क्या यकीन है जिसे मैं छोड़ना नहीं चाहता हूं, जिसकी वजह से उस सिचुएशन,
मैं ऐसी सिचुएशन में फंसा हुआ हूं जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
Really, I was thinking on this, sir, but
wait, don't say anything right now. Let people think for a bit. Okay, let it come, and we will start with you if you like, but let people think a little bit. What is the belief that I refuse to give up? One more time, Vetrivel in Tamil also.
நான் விரும்பாத சூழ்நிலையில் என்னை வைத்துள்ள எந்த நம்பிக்கையை நான் கைவிட மறுக்கிறேன்.
Okay, I think I've given you enough time to think. So those of you who are able to find out what that is, please share what is coming up for you. Reddy Garu, please start. First Reddy Garu, then Neeti Garu.
I have a belief that my children are not meeting my expectations.
Okay. So that is the belief you refuse to give up, don't you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, great. So are you willing to give it up? They are not meeting your expectation, or they will never meet your expectation. That's what you believe.
They're not meeting my expectations.
Okay, so maybe they are not meeting your expectations. Maybe they are, but you know that they are meeting, or you don't know that they are meeting. So there is some other belief you need to look into, okay? Because whether they are meeting your expectations or not, that can be seen. Okay, if it is a tangible thing, you can see it.
Yeah.
Intangible cannot be seen. Like I expect my children to love me and I know that they don't love me. That is intangible, right? But see what other belief is there. So the thing is to look at the area of your life which you are stuck in. You know, suppose you're stuck in something which you don't like. So what is the belief that you are refusing to give up? That is why you are stuck in that situation which you don't like. So please think some more on this. It's made a good start, but think some more on it. Yes, Neeti ji.
So the thought that came into my mind is...
Madam, your sound is so weak, we can hardly hear you.
Yes, sir. Is it better?
Much better.
Okay. Whenever I have a couple of things to handle and there is a time crunch, my mind goes into a frenzy state, though for a few moments till I gain control over it and I come back into a more conscious mode. But I need to get rid of those few minutes because it takes a lot of energy, it takes away a lot of energy from me. And that is what came into my mind, that I need to give up this habit. And the moment it came into my mind automatically went into the discreation mode and discreated it.
Okay, great. Thank you very much. But what is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation which I don't like? So first you have to find out.
The belief is time will run faster than I can finish my work. So, you know, that tussle with the time.
So that keeps you stuck in a situation which you don't like. So what is the situation that you don't like?
It is this, you know, my default mode of the mind.
That is the situation. Default mode of the mind is a situation.
So yes, because the mind gets confused, and then I lose time in trying to sort that confusion and gaining control over my mind. So in the
great.
process, I am losing more time.
So what is the belief that you refuse to give up?
Discreet ho gaya.
Okay, great. Okay, Bhadra, go ahead.
Yes, I get I start reacting very fast with immediately after anything, something which is not acceptable to me. I get reacting very fast, and it made me angry or like that. So I want to give it up. Yeah.
Yeah, see, that is a habit or something which you want to give up.
Yeah.
But the question I want you to think about is that what is the belief that you refuse to give up, which keeps you stuck in a situation that you don't like? Priya, you can also think about it. What is the belief that you refuse to give up that keeps you stuck in a situation that you don't like? Sujal, you had raised your hand. Please go ahead and say what you wish to. Sujal.
No, it's Snehal, sir.
Snehal, sorry, Snehal.
My belief is that the book I wrote was a flash in the pan, and I won't be able to get any more inspiration to write more.
And that belief is keeping you stuck in a situation which you don't like. So
which I don't like. Yes, that's right. It's
what is the situation? What is the situation you don't like?
The fact that I'm not being creative anymore. Another thing that I've got this belief now that, well, I'm getting too old for all this, that sort of a thing.
I know you become 105 years old. So bad.
Yeah, still, I mean, like there is that feeling, because when I see the people I'm associated with in the writing world, I mean, they're at least 20 years younger. Then I think, why should I try?
Yeah, and how much more you got? I mean, what a wonderful book you wrote. I say, I loved it. I mean, it could have been written by a 25-year-old.
But
nowhere did the book show that it's written by an elderly person. You know that?
Yes, I know. So Deepak, but the trouble is that I'm timed at the moment. My mind is.
That is the thing. Nah? What is the belief that you refuse to give up? You identified the belief. Are you going to give it up?
Yes, I do want to give it up, because that's the reason why I want to keep going also. I mean, that's like a passion. But the thing is that for some time now, I've been telling myself that it's a flash in the pan. It just happened. It probably won't happen again. Things like that.
Yeah, that is the belief you want to give up, right? Are you going to give it up?
I'll try, definitely.
Yeah. What are you getting out of keeping that belief? Miserableness?
Nothing really. That is the thing, na? That is going to sort it out.
You are in a situation that you don't like because of what you want to believe. Why don't you chant on giving up this belief, huh?
Definitely.
Or you can use the discretion thing which we have taught you all. Great. Thank you very much. Yes, Sujitra ji, what is the belief that you refuse to give up? That you're stuck in a situation?
So spiritual unworthiness, and also being weighed down by ancestral curse.
Oh. That is the belief you don't want to give up, huh?
Yes.
Okay. And then you are happy to be in the situation that you are in? You're not, no?
No, I'm not, sir. I'm fighting it,
exactly.
But
yeah. So what is the belief? Do you want to hold on to that belief?
No, I don't want to hold on to it, sir. But it's just that I have spent a lot of time reinforcing it that.
I mean, all that is fine. Those are all great reasons, You spend a lot of time reinforcing it. This is like a person saying, I didn't have bath for 1 year. So what is the use of having a bath now? I've got the dirt of 20 years to give up. Are you getting it? Are you going to give it up? Are you going to keep holding on to it?
No, sir. I want to give it up.
No, say I'm going to give it up. What is the point saying I want to give it up?
Without any method, looking for any method, just give it up.
Yeah, you're going to give it up the moment you decide you want to give it up, because you're holding it in place now, because you keep on saying it in your head. The thing is, it becomes a part of your internal dialogue.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. Chidambar.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Actually, in my life, I have very beautiful memories with bad experiences, and which are grown with my life, and those are sometimes give happiness and sometimes give more pain. And very much of times, those things are stopping me to reach my goal and give myself to 100% for something. So, in my life, I have looked very good friends and some
Okay. Very good. Thank you for sharing. What is the question? Read it. It's written in front of you.
Yeah, in my actually my
Read the
belief
question. Read the question.
what is
Loud.
the belief that I refuse to give up? What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in the situation that I don't want?
That I don't like. Right?
Yes, sir.
If you are able to identify that belief,
yes, sir.
Right? Now, can you translate this into Tamil? I suppose you are also Tamil speaker.
Yes, sir, but I'm not fluent in Tamil. In Telugu, I can.
Yeah, so we got Telugu people also to check you, you know. So translate into Telugu then.
నాలో ఏ నమ్మకం అది నన్ను ఆపుతుంది, నేను దాన్ని వదులుకోలేకపోతున్నాను. మరి ఆ నమ్మకం నన్ను ఎందుకు ఆ నమ్మకంలో నాకు ఉండడానికి ఇష్టం లేదు. దాన్ని నా నుండి వదులుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను.
All right, so let us ask our Reddy Garu, is he translating it correctly?
Sir, little there is a variation, sir.
Yeah, so can you do the correct translation for him? Because if a little variation is there, you will not get it.
Yes.
प्रिया आपका नंबर है, नेक्स्ट हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करना पड़ेगा तुमको. हाँ. Yeah, go ahead. You do it, Reddy Garu.
ఏ నమ్మకాన్ని అయితే నువ్వు వదులుకోలేకున్నావు and it's the first line, sir.
Yeah, what is the belief that I refuse to give up? That I don't want to give up. And
అది నిన్ను ఇష్టం లేని సిచువేషన్ లో పెడుతోంది.
Is that correct?
Not exactly, sir.
Exactly. So what did he say? Let me see what he said. You're saying it's not exact, but what did he say anyway? Tell in English what he said.
No, what is not, we are not able to tell exactly is the situation that I don't like.
Yeah. See, your belief, you know, you have a belief which you are not giving up. And that belief is keeping you stuck in the situation which you don't like.
Yes.
So there is a situation which you don't like, correct? Everybody has one situation which you don't like.
Correct.
So what is that belief which you have that is keeping you stuck in that situation? And you refuse to give up that belief. Because if you don't give up that belief, you will stay stuck in that situation which you don't like. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So first of all, be clear what is the situation you don't like. Then find out which is the belief that you have which is keeping you stuck over there.
Okay.
See, suppose you have a belief that my parents don't love me. Okay? That is the belief. Then you will always be stuck in a situation which you don't like, na?
Yes, sir.
Or if you have a belief, let's say that you have you are having a situation which you don't like, that my children are not respecting me and they are not listening to me. Okay? So what is the belief that is keeping you stuck in that situation? It could be some belief like they will never listen to me. Youngsters never listen to anyone. And that's a belief you don't want to give up. Then you will be stuck in that same situation forever, no?
Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much. Chidambar and Reddy Garu both. Okay, Priya ji, read this question which is written there. I'll come to you in a bit, Hasina ji.
Okay.
Let me deal with Priya first.
All
Okay.
Priya is a VIP in our conversation.
Why is
She's like,
that?
हाँ बोलो पढ़ो इसको क्या लिखा है?
What is the belief that I refuse to give up that keeps me stuck in a situation that I don't like?
अब हिंदी में बताओ.
ऐसी क्या मान्यता है जो मैं मानने से इनकार करती हूँ?
No, जिसको छोड़ने से इनकार कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, जिसे मैं छोड़ना नहीं चाहती, इनकार कर रही हूँ, और वो मुझे काफी सारी स्थितियों में स्टक को क्या बोलेंगे?
अटकी हुई हूँ, फंसी हुई हूँ.
हाँ,
जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
जो स्थितियां मुझे पसंद नहीं है, फिर भी मैं उसमें फंसी हुई हूँ क्योंकि कुछ ऐसी मान्यताएं हैं जिन्हें मैं मानने से इनकार करती हूँ.
जिनको छोड़ने से इनकार करती हूँ.
जिनको छोड़ने से इनकार करती हूँ.
जिसकी वजह से मैं उन परिस्थितियों में फंसी हुई हूँ जो मुझे पसंद नहीं है.
यस, पसंद नहीं है, सच्ची बात.
तो अगर आपको कोई परिस्थिति पसंद नहीं है तो वो कौन सी मान्यता है जिसको आप छोड़ना नहीं चाहती हो? पकड़ के रखी हुई हो, कोयला है, गर्म है, छोड़ना नहीं है.
Lot of beliefs are there. So first is I won't be able to make people understand what I am trying to say, my point of view. They won't understand, or I won't.
They will never understand. Nobody understands me. They will never understand you.
I won't be able to make them understand.
Right. So if you have that belief, will you ever be able to make anybody understand?
No, anyway, they are not understanding. Since it's a belief, I refuse to give. So they are not understanding.
Even if they are understanding, you will think they are not understanding. Okay, you see, the dynamic is that if we believe something, we always keep on proving it right. हमारी कोई मान्यता होती है ना, तो हम हमेशा उसको सच साबित करके दिखाते हैं. फिर हम बोलते हैं, देखा, what I believe is true. देखा, I was right.
हाँ, it's like देखा, मेरे से तो ये होएगा ही नहीं, फालतू में तुमने मेरे को काम दे दिया, मैं तो बोल रही थी, मैं बस की नहीं.
Great, thank you very much for sharing. Keep thinking about it. A lot of us are stuck in situations that we don't like. Raghu, I'll come to you as soon as I am done with Hasina ji, and then Raghu ji. Go ahead, Hasina ji. Yeah, unmute yourself and speak, please.
I just live in fear. All my life I have lived in fear. That will I be looked after till the end of my life or not?
Yeah, so that fear.
And all are very good to me, but this fear is not leaving me.
Okay, so here is a question for you. What is the belief? See, you are not happy to be living in fear, are you?
Not at all.
Good. So what is the belief that you have which makes you live in fear? What is that belief you have which you are not willing to give up? That makes you live in fear. Yeah, what is the belief that you have that makes you live in fear? What makes you afraid? What is the cause of your fear?
That I don't know the answer for that, right?
Well, you look for it, you'll find it. There is some belief. See, there's something which you believe and you refuse to give up that belief. That makes you live in this fear all your life. So what is it that you believe? You'll find it.
Okay.
Be in this question, what is it that I believe and I refuse to give up that belief because of which I am living in fear all my life?
Okay.
Yeah, you may find it. If you can't find it, then talk to me. I'll make you find it. Great. Congratulations, Raghu.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Not keeping the consistency in what I do every time. And every time I do and fail. And that brings me the fear of trying the new things.
Yeah. So 1 minute. This is the situation which you don't like.
Yes.
So what is the belief that you refuse to give up, that you are stuck in this situation that you don't like? That is what I'm asking you to think about.
Yes, sir. The consistency, if I do, I know I can do it. But every time I try and then I fail. So it is not going out of my mind.
Yeah, so think, you are stuck in the same loop. I'm asking, see, this is what you're telling is a situation which you don't like. I get it. I understand that. What is the belief that you are not giving up that keeps you stuck in this situation which you don't like? Again and again, you're doing the same thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what is the belief that makes you do that? What is it that you're doing again and again?
At least one time to succeed.
My question, you are not listening even. I said, what is it that you're doing again and again?
Any new things, sir. The new thing, I'm trying it, but...
Now, sir, one of the things you're doing again and again is failing.
Failing, yeah, failing.
That is why you're saying, no, at least one time I want to success.
Yes, yes.
So what is it that makes you fail again and again? What belief that you're holding on to that makes you believe, that makes you fail again and again?
Yeah.
What is the belief? Fear is not a belief, it's an emotion.
Okay.
What is it that you believe? So somewhere in your heart or mind, Raghu, do you believe that I cannot succeed?
Yes.
You know, sometimes you have this belief that says it is not possible for me to succeed,
Yes.
but I will try anyway. So are you going to give up that belief that it's not possible for me to succeed?
No, I don't want to give up. I'm trying it.
Hello, you have to give up that belief, no?
No, sir. It's,
You are
okay.
believing that I cannot succeed.
Okay, okay.
That belief you'll have to give up, no? Otherwise you will keep on failing.
Yes, yes, yes.
You know?
Yes.
So are you going to give up that belief that I cannot succeed?
I will try it and give it up.
No, what do you mean by try to give up? Try to stand up just now.
Yes.
But you stood up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so either you stand up or you don't stand up. It is what is try to stand up, no? Same way, you just give it up. Your mind is going on saying, oh, I am not going to succeed, but I will try my best. I am not going to succeed, but I'll try my best. I am not going to succeed, I'll try my best. What do you think will happen?
I will not
You will
succeed.
try your best and you will not succeed. That's what will keep on happening. And then you will keep thinking, at least once in my life, I should win. Na? So you give up that belief and see what happens. If you're not able to do that, talk to me. I will show you how to give up your belief. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. कोनेन जी, आप शेर सुनाएंगे या बिलीफ सुनाएंगे?
शेर भी सुना दूंगा, बिलीव भी सुना दूंगा।
क्योंकि अभी सेशन खत्म होने में 4 मिनट बाकी है इसके लिए।
चलिए शेर से शुरू करता हूँ, बाद में बिलीव बताता हूँ।
हाँ।
अर्ज किया है कि ये और बात है कि आंधी हमारे बस में नहीं, ये और बात है कि आंधी हमारे बस में नहीं, मगर चिराग जलाना तो इख्तियार में है। It's very difficult to completely root out the beliefs, but yes, we can definitely do this. We can attempt, try every day, gradually, step by step, we can do that.
So, but you didn't, आपने तो शेर का ट्रांसलेशन किया नहीं, आप तो इंटरप्रिटेशन दे रहे हैं उसकी।
Okay, शेर का ट्रांसलेशन ये है कि a storm is not in our control. This is something from the nature.
Right.
We can't do anything, but during the moment, we can lit a lamp.
Light a lamp, yeah.
We can light a lamp. We can create some energy. We can create some, we can remove the darkness, bring the light.
Yeah.
That is in our hand.
In our hands. Yeah, great. Fantastic. Great shairi. Okay. So what is it about the belief? So what is the belief that you refuse to give up?
Actually, there are many. I was just thinking while listening to the conversation, because it's not only about one beliefs. I was pondering upon different areas of my life, starting with my work, my health, my family, my relationship, my personal growth, my other things, etc. So we all have a different spheres of lives, and for me, each and every sphere of lives have some beliefs which I must change it. So I think it will take time to deep dive.
My question is, which is the belief you refuse to give up, which is
No.
keeping you stuck where you are stuck?
So among all these, one of the belief about my health, I have a bit high body mass index. I know this, that I have to reduce my weight. But my belief is that you are healthy, you don't have any disease, there's no problem. So why to reduce your weight? So, and because of that belief that you don't have any health issue, you don't have any disease, I'm not taking care of my body.
Okay, maybe that's the belief you want to hold on to. Or you might have a deep-seated belief कि पता नहीं किसी दिन खाना मिले ना मिले, थोड़ा स्टोर करके रख लो.
पता नहीं क्या है सर, उसको देखना होगा.
I'm also asking the same question, what is the, belief that I refuse to give up, which keeps me stuck with overweight for most of my life. But I did bring it down by 20 kilos twice in my life. But then again, फिर वापस आ जाता है. So what is the belief we have, which we refuse to give up, which keeps us stuck with this nice personality, heavy-weighted one? We look prosperous, you see. We look so dignified. अकबर जैसे दिखते हैं हम लोग, अगर वो मोटा था तो. Good. That's a good one, actually. It's opened up a lot of thoughts for me also.
But question is, sir, how to find that real beliefs, which is really the culprit?
Well, there is a transparent belief exercise that I do sometimes. We can find it out.
Okay.
See, another way of finding it out, there is something which you keep proving right all the time. You understand? We keep proving ourselves right all the time. For example, Raghu was sharing that he'll do many things and fail. So every time he's proving himself right, I cannot succeed. It's very difficult for me to succeed. Where I used to have a belief for a long time in my life, I can't hold on to money. So I've earned crores and I've blown crores. When I gave up that belief, now I'm sitting on a few crores. But until I had that belief, I had two beliefs. I don't want to talk about both of them right now, because otherwise people will not talk. So anyway, we are coming to the end of this conversation. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much, Kunayan Sahab, and thank you everybody for your participation today. We are coming to the end of our formal conversation. So see you all tomorrow morning at 7:30, ready to begin. And informally, those who want to stay,